Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shesa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful and easy pattern. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very quickly. Here I have used acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic yarn. This is from Himalaya brand. And the hook size which I have used here is 5 mm hook size. You can use any type of yarn, but the hook size should be matching with the yarn. So let's start our project. If you are watching my tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel before you start watching. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you have any comments or suggestions, you can leave it in the comment section. Also, to watch other patterns, just go visit my channel, or you can check my playlist as well. So let's begin. Let's start this project with the slip knot, and then we'll make chain 1, 2, yarn over, insert the hook onto the very first chain, pull the yarn up, yarn over, pull through the first one. So this is a V stitch, yarn over, pull through all these 3, yarn over into the very first V stitch. Here we can see 2 loops are there. Insert the hook under this, pull the yarn up, yarn over, pull through the first one and the second 3, yarn over. This is the second chain or the loop. It's called a foundation chain. So let's insert into this, pull up the yarn over, pull through the first one and then the next. So like this we are going to continue till we get our desired length for the project. We are doing here foundation chain plus the first row. First row we are doing as a half double crochet, and the chain we are making here like this. So let's continue the same pattern till we get our desired size for the project. So when you finish the stitches, it should be even number. So here I have made 30 stitches. So let's turn the project. Here, yarn over into the very first half double crochet. Let's insert the hook, pull up the yarn, and then we'll make a half double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over. We'll skip the next one, and to the third, insert the hook and pull up the yarn over, pull through all these. That's a half double crochet. Chain 1, skip the next, and to the next, we'll make a half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, into the next half double crochet. So let's continue like this for the second row. Half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet, again chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet till the end of this row. That's going to be our second row. So into this one, let's make a chain, yarn over, we'll skip this one, and to the last we'll insert the hook and we'll make a half double crochet. And then let's turn the project, yarn over, into the same stitch we'll insert a hook and we'll make a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into this space, pull the yarn up, we got 3 loops, yarn over, and then insert the hook into the skipped chain and pull the yarn up, we got 6 loops, yarn over. Let's insert the hook into the next space, that's here. Insert the hook and pull up the yarn. So we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yarn over, pull through all this, and then chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up the yarn, 3 loops are there, then insert the hook into this space, pull up the yarn. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, insert the hook into this space, next space, and then pull up the yarn. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops, yarn over, pull through all these, chain 1, yarn over, again insert the hook into the same space, pull the yarn up, and then we got here the skipped one, insert the hook and pull up the yarn over, insert the hook into the next space, pull up the yarn over, pull through all these, chain 1. So this is how we are going to continue into this one. here the second, and the third one, it is here. We'll get 7 loops on a hook, yarn or pull through all, chain 1, again into this, and then just down to this, the skipped one, and then into the next. So let's continue for this round the same pattern, and then we'll be continuing repeating the same pattern till the end of this row. So after this row, I'll show you how to change the color, and then you can have 1, 2 or 3 colors or more. Chain 1, yarn over. Here is our last double crochet. So let's insert a hook under this 2 loops, and we'll make a half double crochet. This is to the end of this row. This is how the pattern looks, like a jasmine flower stitch. And then let's make one more chain. I'm going to change the color, so we'll snip it off here. And then it's better to hide here itself. Here I have taken the second color. Let's make a slip knot, and then I'm going to insert into the very last stitch. Here we have finished. So let's turn the project, and then I'm going to insert into this. We'll make a chain, and then yarn over into the same space. I'm going to make a half double crochet, and then yarn over, insert the hook into the very first space. This is here. Okay, after this half double crochet, let's insert the hook and pull up the yarn. We got 3 loops, yarn over, just down to this we have the space here. So insert the hook into this and pull the yarn up. So we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we need to have 2 more loops. So for that I'm going to insert into the next space. This here, pull the yarn up, yarn over, pull through all, and make a chain, yarn over. Same like the previous round. Let's insert the hook into the same stitch space here, and then pull the yarn up, yarn over. Down here we have the space, so insert a hook and pull the yarn up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, and then insert the hook into the next. Pull the yarn up, 5 plus 2, we got 7 loops again. Yarn over, pull through all, chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into this one time, and down we have the space. Insert the hook and pull the yarn up, and then choose the next one, insert the hook and pull the yarn. So we got here loops, 7 loops, chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into this, yarn over. Let's insert the hook here just down to this one, and then here onto the next, and pull the yarn up, yarn over, pull through all, chain 1, again insert the hook into this, yarn over, just beneath this one we'll insert a hook, again into the next, insert the hook and pull up the yarn over, pull through, also chain 1. So here this is how we are going to repeat for the third row. This is third row, first one, second one, and third one. So let's continue till the end the same pattern. Chain 1, insert the hook onto this last one, and then here down, yarn over. Here we have the space. Let's insert the hook, and then pull the yarn up, and we'll pull through all this, chain 1, yarn over into the last stitch. Under this 2 loops we'll make a half double crochet. So that's the end of this row. Chain 1, we'll snip this yarn off. So we have to repeat the same pattern till we get our desired length. I'm just going to make one more row with the pink color, and then I'll show you how to close this pattern. So again we will attach the pink color, and we have to repeat. So here I have finished the third row. Now let's see how to close this with the border. So we don't need to have any border on this edges, only starting point we made a half double crochet. See, same like this we are going to close the other edge as well. Let's turn the project, yarn over into the same stitch under this two loop, insert the hook and pull up the yarn over, pull through all these, one half double crochet, yarn over. Here we have the eye, so insert the hook into this eye and make a half double crochet, yarn over. Here we have a chain, so let's insert the hook into this, we'll make a half double crochet. Again we have the eye, here we'll make one half double crochet, into this chain one half double crochet, into this eye one half double crochet, into this chain one half double crochet. So like this, let's continue till the end of this row. So it is not that much complicated, it's very easy. If you are going to make a blanket for your baby, you can use this pattern. Yarn over into this chain one, into this eye one, and then here into this chain. Let's make the last half double crochet here, and then we'll make the chain one. So end of this row, and then we can hide all these yarns. This is how it looks, the border and the pattern. See, it's very nice. So let's hide this one here itself. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give your thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you have any comments, just mention it in the comment section, or you can send a message through Instagram. So we'll see you on another video with a new pattern. Thank you.